Guard your body.
Is that guarding?
Yeah.
That's sick, dude.
This is kickboxing.
Guard.
Now you're dancing.
Dude, this is sick.
Dodge punches.
Will this make you better at Muay Thai?
Can you close the blind? I don't know. Make it the other way.
No, you
Turn
can't.
it the other way.
It's
Yes,
not
you
gonna make a
can.
difference. It's not gonna.
Oh my gosh!
It's really not gonna make a difference.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so funny.
Stop vlogging! Stop vlogging!
Hold on, we need to move that table.
Yeah.
Oh my!
Dude, that table.
That table's gotta go.
That table's gotta go.
Stop vlogging! I'm telling you not to vlog! Don't punch her! Why are you so scared?
We have to move the table.
Yeah! Keep going! Keep going!
Who needs the gym, right?
You're right.
Move the table. Move the table. Move the table.
Come on! Come on! Yeah!
Go. Right over here.
Oh shit! Put it this way. Yeah.
So you're just playing DDR.
Except this is hella worse. I'm fucking tired. Yeah.
23 seconds in the first round.
I think we have to switch up every round. Switch. Come on. Holy crap!
Oh, dang.
Oh! Pump the screen!
Oh, I think you got
Pump
it.
it!
Dude, I guess
Oh, shake out! Joey, shake out! Jump in your... Yeah!
Hey, D.
Keep punching.
Is it cutting out of the knockdown? Go Rats!
I'm tired.
Go blue! Yeah! I mean red. Red!
Lose all the Bacardi from last night.
Hell yeah!
Me, Christy.
I don't have a pocket.
Oh,
Man, we'll buy some shorts. Come on!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, one more Joey! Round. Chrissy and Carlos, go!
It's not even working for me.
You gotta knee it. You gotta put your butt to the screen. Look at Carlos. He looks like he's doing Taibo.
You know what you do? Just hold it against your legs.
yeah, because
Hold it against your legs.
your pockets are so short.
Yeah, point it towards your knees.
Oh, hold it against your legs. There you go.
There you go. Yeah. Oh, you got him. You got him.
You got him.
Yeah. There you go.
Stop.
It's a good this practice.
Oh, this is practice. Round one, Carlos versus Chrissy. And knee boxing. Dancing there.
Hey, it's pretty much even.
No, it's not.